Hello everyone, this is Sai Krishna in Love with Marketing. I know this looks very messy, but please bear with it. There's a lot of information that I was trying to encapsulate within this area. So bear with it for a few minutes and I will take you through this. Today we're going to talk about the ABM technological tools. We can bifurcate these tools into 4 sections, into marketing infrastructure, account insights, client engagement, and campaign management. So when it comes to marketing infrastructure, it's all about a place where we are going to store all the data and give access to the relevant teams to the right level. So what kind of data do we really store here? Be it account intelligence or stakeholder intelligence or even content assets that we are going to use them in campaigns, or even value propositions that we have designed for different accounts and plans for each and every account execution, account plans. So what kind of tools are we looking at is CRM, website, content management, marketing automation. These are the tools that come in marketing infrastructure. When it comes to specific tools, which can be CRM is Salesforce, Zoho, HubSpot. When it comes to website management, you have WordPress, and even HubSpot does have that. Content management, you have HubSpot or even WordPress that can help you. Marketing automation, you have Pardot from Salesforce, Marketo from Adobe, or even HubSpot itself, has a marketing automation in it. When it comes to account insights, you have four or five aspects here: generating insights, finding out the intent, social listening, content personalization, digital advertising, and retargeting. When it comes to insights, you have to be able to tap information from public domains or business news or social media that will speak the direction of your target accounts, or their inclinations, or their challenges that they are facing, or their requirements, or any information that could talk about the account or the stakeholders of the account. That comes under insights. So you have tools like B2 Brain, Agent 3. These are the tools that can help you in giving insights about your accounts. Intent. Basically intent, there are 3 ways of collecting intent. The very first way of collecting intent is there are tools like Madison Logic or Bombora, where they act as an aggregator for these B2B publishers. So they have a connection with these B2B publishers, and they will be able to de-anonymize the visitors coming from different companies for those specific web pages, and that is how they provide us the intent data. When it comes to demand base or intensify, they have an ad exchange where the content in the web page will diagnose to a level of keyword, and the IP address, the reverse IP address, will be brought to a level of identifying the company from which they are coming to this page. So they do it through an ad exchange, demand base and intensify. Whereas TechTarget, IDC, they are completely their own publishers. They have their own publishing websites, and then they take intent from their websites because it's a gated content, and there are people who are signed up, and they download the reports from their website, and that is how they'll be able to find the intent as well. When it comes to social listening, you can use TweetDeck or Sprinkler. When it comes to content personalization, we are going to talk about content personalization, client engagement as well. But here content personalization is about the curating the content that you are going to get. Here content personalization is all about executing it. How do we execute it? And digital advertising and retargeting, you have Rollworks, you have demand base, you have Terminus. There are a lot of account based advertising platforms where you can target your specific accounts and also do retargeting as well. When it comes to client engagement, you have web and content personalization, webinar and events, direct mail. Web and content personalization, when it comes to website visitors, there are multiple ways of personalizing. One, reverse IP lookup will make them understand what kind of industry, what kind of company they are coming from, and then personalize the website. Okay. The other way is that URL parameters within the link. that will be taken as a input, and then the web content can be personalized. And the other kind of personalization is not on web, but it is once they visit your website, the kind of behavior that you are able to understand, the kind of aspects that they are looking in your website, topics or anything specific that they are looking at, based upon that, you will be pushing the content from there onwards. That is another kind of personalization. When it comes to webinar and events, you can do a lot of online events, webinar or even virtual events, and also direct mail. See, this is something a very less explored, but it is a very powerful. But it has a problem with making sure that privacy concerns are not broken down there. So you have tools like Sendoso, ReachDesk, where they will do the personalized gifting through direct mailer. When it comes to campaign management, it's all about integrating all the tools that you're taking all over here. You might say that CRM is one of the tools that does the integration, isn't it? It does, but it's highly complicated that if you want to integrate the personalizing tool, the dashboards for account performance or ABM level performance, or even if you have to integrate the account based advertising tool. So there will be a lot of complications over there. Apart from that, you have specific tools which can work on the integration. They are like Demandbase and 6sense. They does campaign orchestration, and also they do account and campaign level analytics. They provide both account level and campaign level analytics. When it comes to campaign attribution, Lean Data is one of the tools that can help you. Account dashboard is something that you can do using Tableau or Power BI. So these are the, at a helicopter view, these are the technological tools that you can use in your ABM programs.